Hello, Madam. Have a nice day. My name is Celia Galao from Philippines. I am 40 years old with three kids, ages 23, 22, and 17 years old. I have five brothers and I'm the only one sisters of the family. I have work experience from Saudi Arabia from 2014 to 2016 and 2016 to 2024. Uh, I work also from United Arab Emirates with another employer also. I took care babies, 3 years old, 3 years old, and 11 and 12 years old. I am good for cooking, cleaning, taking care of babies, and ironing, washing the clothes, car washing, and at the same time, I'm also gardening. Madam, sir, if you choose me as your helper, uh, I assure you that I am going to work for you for as long as you want. I'm willing to learn the task that you've given to me, and I am going to stay whatever you want to you want me to stay. Madam, sir, uh, I I am I am trustworthy, kind, generous, and honest. You can trust me all the time, and I will I will do everything to do my responsibility. Madam, sir, thank you. Have a nice day. God bless.